at center court. Charlie Cuna together with Coach Ryan Gregorio here at the Big Dome. Risa Diaz, of course, at courtside, and action has begun.
Just a spectacular at saka ano yan, nakakainis pag bumantay yan. Ayan, sinasabi natin.
Now look at Romeo. He and Bogoy going at it. In college, but they're not close anymore. So Romeo went right at him after getting the basket and the foul from RR.
Dito sa laban na ito, yung animosity na binabanggit natin kanina.
You go under the defense, and that was a foul bait all the way. Out-quicking ito si Junmar Fajardo.
Kung offensive-minded siya.
Free throw is good.
Just yan. Oy, mababahin lamang natin masama yung kombinasyon. Mag-a-adjust siya.
That's right.
Pero na-extend yung time.
The oras, they can still do so many things, they said. But if you allow yourself to get down, let's say 20 plus points already, it just makes it doubly hard. Castro to the hoop. Gets it to go.
Jason must do a lot of those. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede.
To the hoop is Castro. That's 5 quick points. Out of a TNT, 40 seconds or 39 seconds into the second half.
Defending a Jason Castro on the ball screen and rotating the outside shooters too much for Junmar Fajardo. And 5 straight points for them.
As expected, it's the playoffs and it's a tough matchup between these two competitive teams. Si Castro nakapit with
Definitely as big as 27-8, 29. Pero kailangan niya.
Castro knocks down that free throw. 21. Ngunit wala sila nakuha. Here's Romeo in the lane. Puts it up and in. And it must be doubly frustrating, Coach Rai, sa panik ng TNT. Hirap na hirap.
But so far, only 27 points in the first 2 quarters for TNT. This is by far their best third quarter. Scoring one. Pagka-buzzer niyan. Play on.
Terrence with another 3 of his own. He breaks into double digits. Yakapan na lang, Eruela and Arwin Santos. Yan. Si Troy Rosario, lumayap na lang sa kabila. Sabi, titira pa rin kayo. Titira ko na rin. Diba?